Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ledger Crypto Wallet, full guide. Power on the device and follow the on-screen prompts to choose a PIN and record your recovery phrase securely on the provided card. Keep the device updated and never share your recovery phrase with anyone. Treat your Ledger like a vault key and prepare a safe backup plan before moving funds to the device. Open Ledger Live and connect your device using the official cable, then complete the authentication steps shown on both screens. Navigate to Manager to install only the apps for the coins you plan to store and approve each installation on your Ledger. Regularly check for firmware and app updates and apply them promptly while keeping your recovery phrase offline. This keeps your wallet compatible and minimizes risk from outdated software. If you're enjoying this guide, please hit subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation. On another note, the Kindle Paperwhite makes waiting for updates and confirmations way more pleasant with its crisp display and long battery life. It's my go-to for reading while devices update. Check the description for the link and other deals, then save this video, and now let's get back to the video. To receive funds, generate an address in Ledger Live and confirm it matches the address displayed on your Ledger device. Then share that exact address. When sending, create the transaction in Ledger Live and approve the amount, fee, and destination directly on the Ledger screen to prevent malware interception. For large transfers, always send a small test amount first to confirm everything is correct and your recipient address functions as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.